Well, it's another rainy evening slash afternoon here. Been getting rain just about every day for the last 2 weeks. I think if we don't set a record for rainfall in June, it's got to be awfully close. I know we set a record for some low temperatures in June, so. And here we are, almost July. Well, actually July 1st, tomorrow. Canada Day. So that basically leaves us July and August to salvage summer. Very sad. So why am I sitting here in the old shed, you might ask, without a beer? Well, just started on these babies. So I scored these transformer cores today from a little job we're doing. We're just cleaning up a mess that somebody else left behind. So in the middle of this building there, in the electrical room, there was an old transformer. So the previous guy started to take it all apart. It had to come out in pieces. It couldn't come out in one piece anymore. So they got it down to just these cores and the laminations, but then I guess they figured it was too much work, so they left the half of it behind in the middle of the floor. So that was our job there. We took it all apart and cleaned up the room. Now normally you wouldn't bother trying to salvage this stuff. Old transformer, we just take it up, dump it off. Mainly because it's so much work on these bigger ones to take it apart. Like there was probably hundreds of pounds of laminations and everything to deal with. But this was kind of an unusual case because we had to take it apart anyways to get it out. That was the only way we could get it out. So I got rid of all the laminations and the base metal and everything, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to take these back to the shed. So I weighed, one core weighs 120 pounds. So I'm not sure what the recovery is going to be on that, but all the material is pretty lightweight. All these, it's like some kind of a mylar. These are all like a balsa wood, so it should be pretty good recovery. I'm almost guessing, I'm going to go out on a limb and guess it's probably going to be close to 100 pounds per core. It's about like a number 10 gauge, number 2. So if I get that good price again when I go back down a couple of weeks for number 2, this should be, yeah, it could be like $700 or something, $700 or $800. So, but it's going to take a while to take it all apart. I started on this one, so once I get that outer layer unwound, then I got to deal with all the laminations to get down to the next layer. So it'll take a bit of time, but it's going to putter away at it tonight a little bit, and then Friday is a holiday. We're celebrating Canada Day on Friday. So I'll probably work on this on Friday or Saturday or one day on the weekend. It's bound to be raining 1 or 2 days on the weekend. So anyways, stay tuned. Like I say, my guess is 300 pounds. If you want to fire a guest down, be my guest. Okay, bye for now.